Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I want to demonstrate the less than operator in C. I've included my header file and the main function, so let's get started. I'm going to start with a constant, which is an integer, and that is Dean's age at the, let's do at the beginning of Supernatural, so I think it was 26, and we'll also have an integer called age, and we'll do a printf statement where we ask a question: how old was Dean at the start of Supernatural? Great TV show. Question mark and a space, put a semicolon. Then we're going to use scanf, and we're going to scan an integer in there. We have to include the ampersand because it's not a character array. So age, and then we're going to say if age, and we're going to do the less than, which is just like math, just like the less than symbol. Dean's age. We're going to say something, we're going to print something like Dean is older than you think. Okay. And we'll put a /n to end that. Okay. At the end of this, we will return 0 for this function. And I'm going to open up a terminal now. And let's compile it. So we're going to do GCC, and then we'll do less than .c, and we'll output less than. Okay. So now let's just run it. How old was Dean at the start of Supernatural? So if I entered 25, I'll say something like Dean is older than you think. But if I enter in 26, it's just not going to do anything. All right. So it only is functioning when when you enter an age that is less than Dean's age. Anyways, that was a little demonstration of the less than operator in C. I hope you found that interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really does help the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.